Hello there, baby. Hello. Alright. It's his first day in the flat. He's probably a little bit scared. Plan is simple. I'm just going to give him this side of the flat. I'm working from home. I actually should be at work right now, so I don't tell them. Just going to give him free rein for a few days. Let him do as he pleases. Whoop. Sorry, baby. And he's off. He's probably going to find somewhere to hide. I really should have filled his food and water bowl before I opened the front door, shouldn't I? And the litter tray. We'll figure it out. Oh. Hello, baby. Ah, he mewed. I should be working. I stopped meowing while I'm talking. Ah, I have something I should be working on, but I just can't. Look at the baby. Okay. Oh, no, zoom out. He's just enjoying being out, wandering wherever. Oh, he really likes my legs so far. Ooh. There you go, big boy. Oh, you'll get used to your new home soon. Look at that big boy. Oh, baby. He is watching me. He is watching me play Colosseum. Look at him. Look at the little baby. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, hello.